that star life. This is how it starts like. I wanna live that star life. This is how it starts like. Then there's people that try to...
Don't worry, I promise no one will be mad. And the hunter here is going to help make whatever's bothering you better.
Well, Nemo and Funo said they're going to do the Sacred Riders trial, so they went up to the plateau all alone. Even though we were told not to because of the strange monster.
There have been sighting reports of an unknown monster around the village lately.
The grown-ups said the monster was chasing after the Sacred. But Nemo said he wasn't scared. I didn't want him angry at me, and...
Does anyone else know about this, Nebby?
Yeah, Nuna does. She just left on her Sacred.
Thank you for telling us. We'll go make sure everyone is all right. You wait right here.
Nebby, what's wrong, child? What's the matter?
Nana, can we leave Nebby here in your care? We need to head for the plateau as soon as possible.
Go on then. I'll watch over the girl. You just be careful yourselves.
Let's go.
Now! We will stride the wind and soar like the great bird Samult!
Let's fly!
Guys, wait! You can't do the trial by yourselves! We are full-fledged Sacred Riders!
And we're gonna glide from here and prove it!
But I heard that a strange monster has been spotted around here. I know how scary they are. We have to go back.
Yeah, but...
Oh! Huh? It's the Travelers!
Hey!
Hunter! Miss Alma! Everyone, it is safe here. Let's head back home.
Seregios.
It's Seregios.
Oh, that.
No! It's taking her! Nona, don't! I have these two. You take care of Nona and the Seregios.
Got it.
Give her back!
Nona! Be careful!
Oh my lord, we're flying.
We can't lose her!
The Sacred! Nona! There's something else, kid. Now get these Sacred back home.
Okay!
It's just me and you, Bony boy. Wow, look at the fuck. Whoa! Oh my fucking goodness. This is worse than the creatures from fucking Elden Ring. Oh my lord. How do I even look at them? Jesus. Wow. This is a horrible looking bird.
I've sent the other two back safely.
It's too late, I'm already about to slay it, bitch. Okay. Fucking Circle Douglas. Wow, he ran off quick. Oh, come on. I was trying to strike him with a weapon. That's like cheating. Fuck you. I think I need a shot on you, though. I'm so sorry, fucking Sekere. I didn't mean to kill you. I mean, hit you. Wait, what else you got in there? Yeah, I'll take them, lad. I didn't even get a chance to have another meal again. Fuck. Gotta stop doing it. Or thing, eh? Restock up on my supplies. I really forgot how to play this game. What? What are you telling me? Uncle Doris. Die! Telling me, bitch. Back off. He shot me down. But I've got an extra life because my cat brought me back. Fuck up with your horrible fucking... Come on, cockadoodle. Help me. Fucking big bird. What are you doing? Oh, you let him get away. Go after that bird. Is the cockle following me? He fucking is. Haha, let's bring you down, bitch. Elevator going down. It's hideous. Oh, you fucker. Wow, what is this bird? Man's coming in with the Jet Li fucking Liu Kang kicks and shit. Man's coming in with the boost kicks. No, this bird's a cheat. Oh, what did you do to you? Does that work? You made me bleed. Ooh, okay, let's go. Oh, he shoots fucking spikes out his tail. Oh, and out of his face, which also causes bleed damage. And he does jet nucleus. No, to be fair, this guy's a bit of fuck yeah. Oh, come on. I'm getting slapped by a fucking bird. Wow.
I'm glad you're all right. Don't worry.
Sure. Go get that fucking bird again. I've never seen birds. Who are these little dudes? Yo, where did the cat people come from? Here we go, Kung Lao. I mean, Liu Kang. Okay. Wow. And that hurt. Oh, damn, this guy. Can't trust this bird, man. He's coming in with the kicks. Who the fuck is Wooder? And he's just like a Kuma. Can you just join my quest? That's pretty cool. Randomly join my quest. Kuma. Go for his ass. Down. Hang man. Wow. Yeah, GG boy. You did it. There you go.
Fantastic work. The children and Sacred are also safe. Nana is watching over them now. Let's make our way back to Kunafa as well.
This is how it starts like. I wanna live that star life. This is how it starts like.